Capture and convert, transforming HVAC businesses through targeted leads. At Capture and Convert, we redefine your business by providing targeted and high-quality leads tailored to your specific needs. Let's explore how our lead generation services can propel your success. Our services ensure that you connect with customers actively seeking HVAC services. We provide leads that align precisely with your expertise. This means you receive leads from individuals and businesses specifically interested in the services you offer. Capture and Convert helps position your business as the go-to expert in the industry. Our leads enhance your visibility and authority. Our focus extends beyond a one-time connection, fostering long-term relationships for your business. At Capture and Convert, each lead is carefully curated to match your business's strengths, ensuring not only quantity but also quality leads ready for conversion. Partner with us to transform these leads into enduring customer relationships for your business. Choose Capture and Convert.